388 House by TAM, Guillermo Elgart in Mar del Plata, Argentina. A horizontal plane is suspended over a natural slope. These two elements define the void to work with. Within this contained space, loose volumes are organized to delineate the different living functions. The plot is located in a circular cul-de-sac, so it is a portion of a 1,350-meter circle with a steep slope that rises toward the back. In the front, there is a small square. Towards the back, there is a large green space that opens to the north. Development. The richest material is the surrounding green space. The objective is to capture it. The large horizontal plane extends, captures the exterior, and makes it its own. Under the large roof, and with the function of protecting from the street, a closed stone base containing the Multipurpose Room is located. On top of the base and under the roof, there is an open plan with social functions that dominate the street due to the slope and lead directly to the park at the back. On the other hand, the bedroom area semi-covers the cars, taking shelter under the large roof and also dominating the street. In the section, the spaces are interconnected and related, achieving constant diagonals that break the box. From the bedrooms, there is a visual dominance of the which is 2 levels below and 20 meters away. Emptiness and fullness are captured by the black plane. In addition to this, a figure, green terrace, is added, which is embedded in the carpentry of the living dining room and, due to its inclination, protects privacy and directs the gaze toward the sky. Research. Floor plan, suspended ceiling plan, and thus the generation of a space where functions move freely within it. Being, circular. Inside, outside. The line that defines the interior and exterior moves freely beneath it. Working with constant spatial leaks in all directions as one walks under a large cover. Investigating the multiplicity of spatial situations was the premise of this work. Connecting with nature is the beginning of this project. Creating a personal space, protected, devoid of the continuity of visuals from private neighborhoods. The house is developed in half-levels connected by a system of ramps, which first start outside and then continue inside. The first section adapts to the natural terrain and reaches the entrance point or social floor. From here, one can continue the ramp journey that leads to the bedroom area. The most sought-after relationship is spatial. The omnipresent roof connects all spaces and organizes them. They are all under it. The living spaces and the circulation spaces. The ramps wander beneath it and leave us in different places that overlook each other. The gaze wanders through different levels and always observes the greenery that gives meaning to the adopted typology.